Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Cursor and Pear AI. In order to do so, here we are at cursor.com and we're also at trypear.ai. And let's check in with Cider AI in order to do a comparison. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser that allows you to ask questions of the top AI models at all time. And according to Cider, Pear AI and Cursor are both AI-powered tools designed to enhance productivity and streamline workflows, but they focus on different areas. Pear is an AI assistant that aims to help with tasks like content creation, summarization, research, and data analysis. It's typically integrated into workspaces to boost writing and decision making. Cursor refers to tools focused on real-time collaboration, code editing, or interactive workflows, and it might be more oriented toward developers or team-based projects. In essence, Pear AI is more about intelligent automation and content support, while Cursor emphasizes collaboration and interactive editing. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI tool recommendations, including Cider AI. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.